Hi, I'm Pallavi Kathuria, the Director of Server Business for Microsoft in India. I'm here to share the world of choices that the cloud holds for you. Over the past year, cloud computing has been getting a lot of press and attention from researchers and analysts. We believe that the cloud holds the future of business. But the journey to the cloud is not an all or nothing choice. It's a series of steps that you can choose depending on your needs. To begin with, here is a quick overview of the common attributes of the cloud. You only pay for what you use when you use it. IT infrastructure is available to business units and departments with an SLA. You can easily add or remove resources depending on the business need. You can share resources and information across different departments and devices. And all of these attributes let you work efficiently with less servers and power consumption. So what's the cloud for business made up of, and how can it help you? It can help you create a more secure and efficient infrastructure. With the public or private cloud, you can use infrastructure as a service as the core foundation of your hardware. The computing capacity, storage, networking here is managed by the provider. A usage-based model helps to grow and shrink usage as required. Now, if you want to develop applications fast without having to worry about scale, consider platform as a service, or what is normally called as PaaS. You can now develop, test, deploy, and maintain applications without having to buy the infrastructure and software. And software as a service, commonly called as SaaS, is the model to deliver applications online with the potential for huge productivity gains. With familiar tools like email, chat, online storage, this is the most common form of cloud computing delivered today. So how can your business get started on the cloud? There are various consumption models and contexts to consider. First, look at the context of where the service is being delivered. There are global providers like Microsoft, service providers like hosting providers, and customer-owned data centers. You can also choose to consume these services as private clouds that are dedicated per customer and public clouds that are shared resources between customers. Consider the cloud computing landscape alternatives. Google offers only the public cloud. This means new APIs, new data structures, and a complete rewrite of your existing applications. Salesforce is now building a platform as a service offering, but with the narrow focus area like CRM. Amazon, which is one of our hosting partners, also provides an infrastructure as a service platform that replicates on-premises scale-up environments with virtual machines. VMware too mainly provides virtualization, a necessary but a small part of cloud computing. We believe that IT as a service should enable all these components to work together, giving you the choice to consume either on a private or a public cloud, and the ability to either build those services yourself or buy them from a provider. By giving customers cloud power, we provide the only and most comprehensive set of solutions in the world. These are the different areas in which you can use cloud power. With Windows Server 2008 R2 Hyper-V and System Center, you can build your own secure private cloud. With self-service, you can automate data services and cut operational costs in physical administration and troubleshooting. You can also manage your entire IT infrastructure across physical on-premises and virtual cloud environments from a single screen. The private cloud also integrates with your existing on-premise toolsets. You can also leverage your existing assets and skill sets across identity with Active Directory, management with System Center, and developer technologies, .NET, SQL Server, and Visual Studio. The result? Developing custom applications faster. With your IT simplified and secure, you will now have more time to innovate and develop solutions. Companies across the world trust the security of the Microsoft Cloud to host their applications and data. To know more about optimizing infrastructure through the private cloud, I recommend the in-depth session by Dr. Madan Mohan. The Windows Azure platform offers developers a flexible and familiar environment to easily create and host cloud-based applications. The cloud gives you scale on demand. If there's a sudden demand or load expected on the servers, the performance can be boosted easily by just increasing the processing capabilities. It also shares data. With SQL Azure, you get an always available multi-tenant database service. Now you can plan and deploy multiple databases without having to install, set up, patch, or manage any software. For security, you can keep much of your security and encryption details the same with the core .NET libraries. For developers, this means full focus on creating and coding. No more waiting for servers, storage, or hardware. They can also build on their Visual Studio expertise and work with protocols like SOAP, REST, XML, and PHP. All the benefits of the cloud without any new training. Creating applications that become new business models like 3M, faster deployment times like HCL has done, or reducing costs to 1/10 like Siemens. How can Windows Azure help your organization scale? To know more, attend the breakout session for a deep dive into Platform as a Service. Email, conferencing, chat, and networking help your employees meet and stay updated from anywhere with Microsoft Online Services. Conferences, trainings, and events can now happen from any PC, voice over IP, sharing applications, seeing multiple video screens, high-quality recordings. Microsoft Live Meeting does it all. Office Communications Online helps connect mobile workers with IM, PC-to-PC audio, and video calling and presence. If you are an IT administrator, use the central console to manage subscriptions and reset passwords and configure services. And all this from any location with internet access. With Exchange Online, users can access their Outlook account online without VPN. Easily migrate all content online, including email, calendar items, contacts, and tasks. Any email-ready phone, including Windows Phone, iPhone, Android, Palm, Nokia, or BlackBerry, can now give you mobile access to your email. Better email integration that costs less than your existing applications, seamless migration like Coca-Cola saw, or cutting operational costs. Companies are already seeing benefits to shifting to Microsoft Online Services. Find out more about real-time collaboration and communication with Sanjay Manchanda's session on Microsoft Online Services. You now have the power to connect your information workers across time zones and geographies to share information and work together in real time. PC or Mac, different software versions, or any web browser. You can now access, edit, and share Office documents, presentations, and spreadsheets from your PC, phone, or browser using Microsoft Office 2010. You can set up a small office or quickly empower temporary staff with SharePoint Online. Scaling no longer means server purchases or deployments. With the familiar interface of Microsoft Outlook and Office, your employees stay productive without having to learn. With a unified content management system, you can help employees easily share best practices and expertise with blogs, wikis, search surveys, and RSS feeds. When you save a file online, it's hosted on our secure servers, maintained by our own trained experts. Security updates happen in real time, making sure that you always work on the latest, most up-to-date versions. Over 1 lakh employees are using Microsoft Office web apps at Infosys. Aviva's intranet connects 60,000 people across 12 languages. Attend the session on Office 2010 to see how you can do the same. Dynamics CRM Online presents an entire suite of marketing, sales, and service solutions and is available on the PC and online with the familiar interface of Microsoft Office Outlook. Sales teams can access customer data and inform them quickly with new communication wizards. Marketing tools for segmenting data and managing and analyzing campaigns can boost marketing. Customer service personnel can also access the latest data faster through the user interface, online, or as an exported web file. Paying per use also makes scaling up or down easy. Dynamic CRM Online has impacted customer interactions, improved marketing, and boosted sales in many organizations. View the talk about increasing business productivity to know more. Hundreds of companies have already made their journey to the cloud. I hope this session has been useful in helping you decide your first step. Do explore our 6 breakout sessions as part of the Cloud Power virtual event experience. Good luck in powering up your enterprise.
There's a new kind of power that can make your business capable of more than ever before with less. Cloud Power. The most comprehensive solutions for the cloud on Earth. From Microsoft.